just started making this really cute little bow garland, and I thought I would give you all a fun little tutorial. I'm going to use this as a Christmas decoration / New Year's decoration for my virtual background. So let's get into the video. For this, I am using a 5mm crochet hook. This yarn, which is basically like the Lily Sugar and Cream yarn, but from Michaels. Here's the info on that. And I just have a bunch of this yarn randomly, so I'm just alternating colors. I'm going for like a really bright color palette, as you probably can tell. So I just started making a slip knot here, put it on my hook. Now I'm going to chain 60. All right, so now I have my chain of 60. I'm going to skip the first chain and single crochet into the next. And then I'm just going to place one single crochet all the way down the rest of my chain. So once you have placed a single crochet in each of your stitches, you'll just have this long ribbon kind of looking thing. If you wanted bigger bows, you could definitely add on some more rows of single crochets into each by chaining one and then single crocheting into each stitch back down until you got the thickness that you wanted. I think that could look really cute. But for me, I'm just going to do little bows. So once I get in single crochet into my last stitch, then it'll look like that. I'm going to chain one, snip off a little tail. I'm being mean to myself, and I'm going to weave in all the ends at the very end of this project, but if you want to be nice to yourself, you can weave them in as you go. So now I'm just going to show you how I attached the bows together. So you'll take your chain, you're going to thread it through the bow that you want to attach it to. Then you're going to fold it over. But I'm just kind of lining it up. I tied my first bow as normal, and then I just used the rest, that one as my reference for how long to fold it. So it should kind of match up with your one next to it. So you've got your short string and your long string behind it, like that. You're going to kind of pinch this, fold it up and around like this, and then back down, and that's going to give you kind of this loop through here. Then you're going to take again your long chain, you're going to kind of fold it up in through here, little piece of fuzz. All right, so then I've got my little loop that came through there, and then it's going to take some fiddling, but you're just gonna tighten everything up once you have kind of your desired loops. So I'm just kind of looking at the one next to it and getting it so that my bow kind of matches the one next to it. So I want the little things. You can also stretch out your ribbon a little bit. You just repeat that until you get to the very end. I hope you found this tutorial easy to follow and really fun. I love my finished product. I think it's so cute. It pops up in my little like Zoom background for work, and I really love all the color that it adds and like a subtle holiday cheer. So if you make this, definitely be sure to tag me and check out my other tutorials.